This Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker represents a major step forward in how modern kitchens function. This is not just another multi-cooker designed to replace pots and pans. It is a fully connected, intelligent cooking system that combines hardware precision, built-in sensors, and software guidance to remove guesswork from everyday meals. Designed for food lovers who want consistent results without spending hours in the kitchen, this 6-quart family-size cooker blends technology with real culinary practicality. At first glance, the Chef IQ Smart Cooker feels premium and thoughtfully engineered. The sleek body, full-color LCD display, and responsive capacitive touch controls immediately set it apart from traditional pressure cookers. The design is clean and modern, but more importantly, it feels intuitive. Everything about the interface is built to reduce friction, making it accessible even for users who are new to smart kitchen appliances. What truly separates this cooker from competitors is the built-in scale integrated directly into the unit. This feature fundamentally changes how home cooking works. Instead of measuring cups, spoons, and extra bowls, ingredients can be weighed directly in the cooking pot. The 4 internal smart sensors detect ingredient weight in real time and automatically guide the cooking process. This not only simplifies preparation but also improves consistency, especially for recipes where precision matters. The Chef IQ ecosystem extends beyond the appliance itself. Through Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, the cooker pairs seamlessly with the Chef IQ app, unlocking access to hundreds of guided cooking recipes. These are not static instructions. Each recipe includes step-by-step video guidance and sends precise cooking parameters directly to the cooker. This means temperature, pressure, and timing are automatically handled, allowing users to focus on the creative side of cooking rather than technical details. One of the most impressive aspects of the Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is its automatic pressure release system. Unlike traditional pressure cookers that require manual steam release, this model uses a 3-method auto-release system: quick, pulse, and natural. Steam is released safely and automatically once cooking is complete. This design significantly reduces the risk of burns and makes pressure cooking more approachable for beginners. Versatility is another core strength. This is a true 10-in-1 multi-cooker, functioning as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and more. With over 300 built-in presets and hundreds more available through the app, users can prepare everything from simple weeknight meals to complex dishes with confidence. The ability to create and save custom presets adds another layer of personalization, allowing favorite recipes to be recreated with a single touch. Performance is consistent and efficient. Operating at 1000 watts, the cooker heats quickly and maintains stable pressure throughout the cooking cycle. The result is evenly cooked food with excellent texture and flavor retention. The sealed cooking environment locks in moisture, making meats tender and grains perfectly cooked. For families, the 6-quart capacity strikes a practical balance, offering enough space for full meals without overwhelming counter space. Safety and compliance are clearly prioritized in this design. The cooker is ETL Safety Certified, FCC compliant, FDA approved, and includes BPA-free accessories. These certifications reinforce confidence in daily use, especially for households that cook frequently. The included steamer rack and basket further expand cooking options, supporting healthier preparation methods like steaming vegetables or fish. From an SEO perspective, this smart pressure cooker naturally aligns with high-intent search terms such as smart pressure cooker, Wi-Fi multi-cooker, pressure cooker with built-in scale, and guided cooking appliance. Its unique combination of features positions it strongly within the premium multi-cooker category. Key features and benefits: built-in digital scale for cook-by-weight precision, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity with guided recipes, automatic pressure release with 3 safety methods, 10-in-1 multi-cooker functionality, full-color LCD display with touch controls, wireless firmware updates for long-term improvements. Pros and cons. Pros: built-in scale eliminates measuring tools. Guided cooking reduces errors and learning curve. Automatic pressure release improves safety. App-controlled cooking with video guidance. Consistent, professional-level results. Cons: app dependency may feel unnecessary for advanced cooks. Higher learning curve for users unfamiliar with smart devices. Requires stable Wi-Fi for full feature access. Final verdict. The Chef IQ Smart Pressure Cooker is ideal for anyone who wants smarter, safer, and more precise cooking without sacrificing creativity. It transforms everyday meal prep into a streamlined, guided experience while still allowing room for personalization. With intelligent sensors, app integration, and automatic safety features, it stands as one of the most advanced multi-cookers available today. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and explore everything this smart cooker can do. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.